Love in the shadow of law. It was the year 1503. In the sandalwood-scented halls of Calicut, where courtiers spoke in whispers and justice echoed louder than swords, ruled a man not just called king, but keeper of balance, bearer of wisdom. The Zamorin of Calicut, a sovereign of salt, trade, and law, watched over his realm with the calm of the sea before a storm. But sometimes, storms rise from within. A noblewoman of his court, a Thampuratti, radiant and revered, drew the gaze of a visiting Kolathiri prince. What began as stolen glances beneath carved pillars bloomed into a secret that shattered protocol. Before court protocols could speak, the Thampuratti was gone, spirited away to Chirakal by the prince, her silken anklets echoing only in memory. To others this might have been a tale of love, but to the Zamorin it was a breach of sacred trust and courtly honor. Summoning his generals, the Zamorin dispatched his forces with swift resolve. The city of Kollam fell into his hands, a warning offered without fanfare. At Chirakal, the Kolathiri prince, sensing the weight of the crown he had offended, sent emissaries bearing words of regret, their heads bowed in shame. And then, in a gesture that startled courtiers and calmed swords, the Zamorin chose not vengeance, but justice tempered with grace. He annexed the lands taken, but did not punish the lovers with blood. Instead, he forged a new estate for the Thampuratti and her children at Nileswaram, assigning them 8,000 Naya soldiers. Yet, a decree followed, measured and firm. Neither she nor her descendants would hold claim to Calicut again. Thus, the Zamorin, son of the sea and sentinel of fairness, preserved the sanctity of his court without drowning love in cruelty. In restraint, he delivered the sharpest justice. And to this day, beneath the palm shadows of Malabar, old scribes still whisper, "He who judges not with wrath, but with wisdom, rules beyond his years."